Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is the third and last lecture about statistical sampling, in which we will learn about the cluster sampling. A cluster is a collection of records that are similar to one another and dissimilar to records in other clusters. In cluster samplings, population is divided into multiple groups called clusters. We can take country, city, school, university, etc. as a cluster. After creating a clusters, random groups are selected using a simple random sample or a systematic random sampling technique. There are different types of cluster sampling: single stage, two stage, and multiple stages. In single stage cluster sampling, first of all, population is divided into different clusters, and then a random sample is taken using the systematic or simple random sampling technique. In two stage cluster sampling, selected clusters are further sampled. We select members of the clusters from the selected one. In multi-stage cluster sampling, taking few steps further than two-stage sampling, in which we resampled the selected clusters, and in this way we can extend the two-stage sampling technique to multi-stage. So here, first of all, we are importing the libraries, pandas library random, and we are importing k-means from the scalar library for creating the clusters. This is our first of all to load the libraries. This is our data. Previous data used for the systematic random sampling technique. Now filtering data excluding row and sections. We are only selecting the last four columns for creating the clusters. So this is the filter data. Now next step, we are going to create k-means creating clusters. We are using the k-means algorithm, which is the unsupervised machine learning algorithms for creating the clusters. So here we are creating 5 clusters. So we run this. And now we add this column to the data. So now this is the additional cluster which specify the clusters from 0 to 4. There are 5 clusters, and every cluster members are collected by their similarities. So next, single stage clustering sampling. Cluster sampling. Here size is 3, or sample size is 3, and here random cluster number for samples. So we are creating a random numbers. We want to select n. Because our sample size is 3, we are going to select 3 clusters out of the 5. So, and we want to generate these number randomly. So here 1, 2 and 4 will be selected. So sample of randomly selected clusters. Here we are going to select the clusters, and 1, 2, 4 will be selected, and then we sort this by the clusters. So here we have sampled 3 cluster 1, 2 and 4. So this is the sample, and this is the single stage sample. Two-stage cluster sampling. First of all, we are going to group the cluster, to group the data by the clusters. Now again we are creating a cluster number for selecting the n. N is again 3. So we are again selecting 3 cluster out of the. So here 4, 0 and 3 cluster will be selected, and then we resample the clusters by selecting some members out of these clusters. So here sample size is 4. For example, we are going to select 4 members randomly from each clusters, from 4, 0 and 3 clusters. So some cluster I think it has a, let me run again, because some clusters have members less than 4, so it is not possible to select. We run this again. So okay, 2, 3 and then again we run. Let's say we 3. Valley errors, I think cannot take large sample population. Actually we are we run this again because some cluster have a less number of member than 3. So now this is okay. Here we have selected 3 members from the 3 clusters randomly. So this is the first members of the first cluster, which is 4, and this is the members of the second cluster, cluster number 3, and the last one is this is the cluster number 1. So from each cluster 3 members are selected. So this is called two-stage cluster sampling. First of all, a cluster are selected randomly, and after selecting the clusters, we are using the sample function to randomly select members from these clusters. In multiple stage clustering samplings, we extend the two-stage two-stage clustering samplings. So here first of all we are going to there we are defining a list large, and then we create a list with the number of clusters and number of members in each clusters. So length is basically this is the size of each clusters, because we will sort the clusters based on the number of their members, and then we will select first 3 clusters from the clusters having a large number of members. So let's say we run this. So first, cluster and sizes. There are only 2 members in the 0 clusters, 24 in the first, 2 in 2 there are 7 members, and 25 members are in cluster 3, and so on. So these are the sorted based on the cluster members. So 25 is the highest values, and so on. So first 3 selector, here we are going to select first 3 clusters having a large number of members, which are 3, 1 and 4. and then sample of size 4 for randomly selected clusters. So here we are going to sample from the above 3 clusters. So if we run this, so we will get the so here sample from the cluster number 3. We are taking 4 samples from each clusters having a large number of members. This is the cluster number 3. So 4 members were selected randomly, and this is the cluster number 1, and the last one is cluster number 4. So this is multi-stage cluster sampling. Thank you.